What's up guys, today we're checking out Noise by Rolly. Not really checking out, but more like playing melodies on it. So the thing with Rolly is that this is a music software and hardware company. They make these really cool keys that you can slide your fingers on and it bends the notes. That's the coolest thing about it. And I really wanted, I'm talking about Rolly Seaboard, especially Rolly Seaboard Rise 49. And I really wanted to get my hands on it. But the thing is right now that there's no one single copy available. And I really wanted to have it because it's the idea is great and I love bending the notes. And you can bend the notes on the piano. So, you know, besides this full big pianos, there are these blocks called Rolly blocks. Like, there's a square block that you can play melodies and drums on, like do some automation and stuff like that. It looks really good because, you know, you have the whole scale on it and you can like, you know, click and bend and stuff like that. But what they did is this thing. This Rolly block is actually available for free on your phone as a noise app. How much sense does it make? I mean, it does make sense, but like, here it is. So this guy, you can play melodies on it. And I was like messing around with this for a bit and I came up with this melody. So the thing with this melody is that it's cool indeed, but playing notes that are really far away. So I'm playing, and this note are really far away. So I tried playing this on the piano actually, and I had really big trouble finding notes because they are indeed really far away. And that's a pretty cool thing when it comes to this block, that you can actually play notes that are really far away with not so far away access to them. They were gonna make a melody. Basically, the big problem with this is that you cannot control anything in your DAW. You cannot connect it to any synth or any, like, you cannot connect it to Ableton, which sucks. Not gonna lie. You can connect blocks, I don't know. Question is, can you export this? Or is it just that? Can you export? Export. Ooh, you can export Ableton Live. Dude! So what I was doing actually is I was recording the screen and then transferring the recording into the PC and then like putting the recording into Ableton, and I had all the sounds, but I guess you can just record the melody inside this and that works. So let me play back the melody and we're gonna like make a little track out of this. What's up guys, Future Peter here. I've awakened. No, the thing is my iPhone didn't record the screen and the video is missing, so I gotta do this again. I'm gonna show you the app, right? You have 4 different instruments here, 3 instruments plus a drum kit. You have the recording buttons, you have scales. Right here you can see that I have chosen the D sharp minor scale and I'm able to play melody. So big thing about this app is that you can slide notes. Really cool thing, you can modulate some parameters of the sound by moving your finger up and down. You can do the vibrato thing. Stuff like that. You can just play melodies and do modulation. So I played this melody already, but the video is missing. So I'm gonna just play back what has been recorded. That's the flute melody. That's the harp melody. I flipped this up here, don't worry. I'm gonna quantize it in Ableton. I already did. So while recording, you can like record, you can overdub, and everything appears here. So you can, you know, make different melodies and like I think play back the whole thing like it was a track, like a live performance. You have the mixer, you can mix stuff here. You have some filters. You know, cool for some live performance, and that's basically it. You have plenty of instruments, pretty big library. For a free app, it is a pretty big library. That's it. Come on, dude, come on, dude, come on, dude. Come on, dude. Work, 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 not twerk, just work. Oh, it's playing all the things. But it works. It works. I don't like the session view, but I guess I made it in session view. That's why it puts here. But we never do this. Put it here, boom, and click this. I really like it has this option. I don't have to record like a dumb idiot anymore and transfer all these big video files and extract audio from them. And I guess audio is even mono, but this is sick. Oh, it sounds so good. Play. No, how to do this? Wait, what? Oh, I hate this big time. Why are you playing? Copy this, open a new project. Forget about it. Forget about it. Quantize. Slaphouse Rebase. Oh, it's pretty good. Ooh. Get the duduk, put OTT on it. It's been so much time. I think I got sick mentally. Why am I not using OTT? Can someone explain and can someone tell me this? Why am I not using OTT? Pitch monster maybe? Reverb on it? That's pretty good actually. Stretch that twice. How about I pitch this down an octave? Got a pretty cool pad. Add pad. Okay, I know what we can do with this. Put the one rack, boom. Okay, so this is 16 bars, and this is, yeah, we gotta drop it here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, recently I was like, no, I'm not making future bass anymore. Here we flip and go. Well, it doesn't have to be future bass, right? Hey, anyways, add and let's smile again on it, but on the whole group this time. We're gonna use this setting. Do a frequency shifter on that. Frequency shift this here. We need like which we can try doing this here. And here. Infiltrata. What in the world, dude? Get the hell out of here. It has really cool, like respace kind of stuff. Okay, I'll try different drums this time. Why you lag? Why is my Ableton lagging so much? Dude, what is going on with the camera? Why is it so wide, dude? Like, what changed? What changed? I'm trying to figure out the camera lighting. It always changes and I have no idea why. Nothing changed. Literally nothing changed. And it's white. And it wasn't white. Like, what in the world? What are you doing? This is bullshit. Get back! Dude, this OBS Streamlabs sucks huge ding dong. You were supposed to be quiet. So I think that's it for now. Please don't tell me I have to finish this, because I will not. Please stop telling me to finish stuff, because I can't keep up. I'm always listening to you guys and I got a problem right now. I can't keep up on finishing tracks. Okay, so this is what we did with the Rolly thing. Rolly noise. Is it noise? I think it's noise. Okay, let's check this out. Cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about Rolly noise. This wasn't sponsored, of course, although I wish it was, because I'm poor as hell. Dude, I have to drink decaf coffee because I don't have money for real coffee. Like, what the hell is this? So subscribe if you like, and like if you like, and have a nice day, and see you in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversample.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.